జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. ఓ హనుమా, క్వతే రామేణ సంసర్గః. హౌ డిడ్ యు మీట్ రామా? కథం జానాసి లక్ష్మణః. హౌ డిడ్ యు కేమ్ టు నో అబౌట్ లక్ష్మణ? వానరాణాం నరాణాంచ కథమాసీత్ సమాగమః. హౌ కమ్ దెర్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ బిట్వీన్ హ్యూమన్స్ అండ్ monkeys? How did you all meet each other? O Hanuma, if you do show me, if you do tell me about few indications, few significant structural signs of Rama and Lakshmana, then I would believe you. When Sitamma asked like that, now Vayuputra Hanuma saying about Sri Ramachandra Swami's divine form like this, and also Lakshmana's the structural form like this. Ho Janakaraja Putri Sita Devi, now I am telling you about Rama, please listen to me. Ramaha Kamalapatrakshaha. Rama is so handsome, Sarvanga Sundara. Rama has the divine beautiful lotus like eyes. Sarva Sattva Manoharaha. Rama is the one who can captivate everyone's eyes and mind. Not only Rama has the handsomeness of the physical structure, but also he has great qualities. He has great effulgence equivalent to sun. Kshamaya Prithvi Samaha. He has great patience equivalent to Bhumi Devi. And he is great intellectual equivalent to Brahaspati. And he is famous like Devendra. Rakshita Jivalokasya. He is the one who can protect, save everyone. Svajanasya cha abhirakshita. He protects his own people. Rakshita swasya vruttasya. He preserves, he protects his own character. Dharmasya cha parantapaha. He protects all the dharmas. He preserves righteousness and he suppresses all the enemies. Like that, Hanuma mentioning some of the qualities of Sri Ramachandra Swami so that he could gain the faith of Sita Devi. In order to gain faith of Sita Devi, Hanuma describing Sri Ramachandra Swami's divine qualities, saying that, "Ho Sita Devi, Ramachandra Swami is the one who can protect this entire world. Maryadanancha lokasya. He is the one who preserves all the laws of this world. And he is Purushottama." O Sita Devi, not only that, he would also preserve and protect all others' traditions. Rama has great effulgence and great scholars would respect Rama. Rama is a well-learned person, and Rama, he respects great people and elderly people. Rama is very humble. Yajurveda Vinitascha. Rama has more interest in Yajurvedam, and he also learned other Vedas and Vedangas. O Sita Devi, Rama is very handsome. Kambugrivaha. Beautiful throat he has, and beautiful eyes he has, and there is small red sparks in the eyes, in the end of the eyes. O Sita Devi, and Rama has a beautiful voice. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.